Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle, and today Marzal and I, we are going to look for Mass Cecil. It has been quite some time since we have been up here, so we're going to check on him. We're also going to deliver some items that would have received from a donor in New York. So stay with us, and please do remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video it will be updated. All right, okay, so let's go. Oh yeah, we came through quite a lot of mud and water to come up because last night it rained heavily. Oh, this apple tree is there, look at it. Yeah, they're big.
We mash up them before we like that today.
Mass Cecil, how you do?
Ripe apple in my place.
Come back in next week.
Who did say so?
I believe I you.
No, so every time I come you mistake me for somebody else and with somebody else say.
But there's a pain.
Good morning.
Well,
Good morning.
it's just a pain in a sense. Let me two leg come right down. Yeah man, and me just feel away, you know. But me go to clinic tell me can't tell you man. And the pill them now help me at all. I go one private doctor and he tell me truth. He said no for the tablet where them make good. When the doctor tell me that.
So the doctor make tablet?
Me believe it.
He make them?
That was our place they come from. Just that. Yeah. But he said no for the tablet them now make good, you know.
Okay. So how are you doing otherwise though?
Well, for you come back and see me in them time, you must know. For me can't do no portion of work to that again, you know. No, sir.
So you not go to the farm again?
No, sir, I never go for. What you mean, Likkle ground them?
I don't know, you always say you have your farm.
Yeah, man, this ain't so I can ground they walk right this, you know.
Oh.
After me, you know.
Okay.
I want to one up there so too. But to how me feel not for me body. For me that's certain. You gotta go in the years, you know, call this again. But I number one for only just a command and see one young girl did right out of out of church or so. As a past church and I go so I just one house I but I'm side so.
Yeah,
Indeed.
Yeah.
Indeed the man. Me hear them say them are going to keep candlelight for him tonight.
Oh, okay.
The girl did plant her ground this you know. He plant ground this man. And then gungo you see.
The roadside I keep planted.
I think they plant
and they're pretty.
Mervillin.
Yes.
Mervillin in name. And then they read one brother named Big Man.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So then say a bottom side then he make a berry.
Okay.
Oh.
For the other one again named for him wife lose one of it cut in it sick and then cut off 9 foot off too.
Yeah.
Go 1 foot he have. But because if he can get hush, little hush stick.
Yes.
Good sticks.
He can hold it so. And he still up.
Yeah.
Still there, not sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Watch is the same way.
Yeah. Yeah. So me tell you Bridget say, you know, some them come and take out the things now to house say that you not certain age. See all they sitting there then take out of the back room for mash up round there now.
Oh, the sponge and stuff, them clear them out for you.
But nothing else not grow on there yet.
Oh, you still have it empty. They paint up the house for you too, because this spot paint up.
Yes, and them did come look for me. And they say they want to carry me good down at the beer there now.
I want to go down there.
But see my son with the shoot they find he did around him restaurants down there and you know. And have been big shop down there. And that's some here they say Masafa. They say what? So at that the woman now warm if you come down they come spend 3 months or 2 months.
So you don't want to go nowhere.
So you don't want to go nowhere. So
Yeah.
they are better me suffer for see how much you could black me take and put across the house and get bad. Round shot tear down and round shot tear down. So, me say, God I go up in the way for me that someone provide for me and build up one in the room. Yes.
You say your son did not build over there?
One night time, he need see so. But him say what? How much? 4 picnic get with one woman for and the biggest one now must have left high school. This month, yes, I believe I did money say I go left high school. But I we in a what she didn't live.
Oh, okay.
Quite up near the hill. So from him then talk them the things say I come back of mine about last year, July. No, he never turn up back.
Oh, you not hear from him either?
No, sir, if phone them now, Sata, you know.
Oh, the phone them not work?
Not work.
Oh, the banger phone them
If you want them not work. So then they say, them okay, he had a big phone.
The touch screen.
So, I'll now me not see them.
They will come, man. They
Come. They tell you, so they might come.
So who do you hear for?
They will pick me. You know, say, I want my daughter. My daughter, we have be two police boy. Two boy we are police. But he live a man to go be and call him.
Oh, okay.
And he have big girl too. When they didn't go for
big girl.
Big woman then because the girl.
Oh boy. But so when you cook now, Mass Cecil, the kitchen turn over?
It mash down, mash up.
Oh, what happened?
And you can make up fire out. They make the same.
So where you go? Where you cook?
You know, so sometimes me no bother hit from me hand so it me have to do, me have to just easy myself.
So from when the kitchen mash down like that?
A good time now, man.
And so you have not been cooking from that time?
Me usual catch little wood fire
outside.
Outside.
Oh, but because they wet now.
Yeah, in there, you wet up too. So.
And the rain fall hard.
Yeah, it fall last night a lot.
And it goes to fall a little later too. So you eat apple? So
once another coconut tree up, they say I send away.
What? Apple? Are you picky?
Oh, you know
but
that.
me not you go quite up there. No. So, you have to listen now. You know, me no remember how no then take for me sit here and send me up.
Send you up where?
Up a rain.
No, me tell us every time we come you say that. But I know we.
Lord God.
Some people come to you?
You know, somebody come to me, but him, one girl that keep shop to son named Babe. So for him sister there Canada. So he must take up the picture now. And see me panny. And Santana see me panny now in calling sister and tell him.
Oh, the video?
I see video call so and he say anything me want down there, if he give me till certain time. Certain time now is at a cut off then.
So now, you're not hear from her again?
No, so for some man say, they might go him, come help me, like, come line of house for me and all them things there.
That I want a different person now?
They might come line of house, I'll know see them done.
Oh. But you walk better than last time though, Mass Cecil.
And they might carry food for the poor. I saw them show you too, you know. And that I not go so.
But a long time you said that though. Long time you said them come.
Yeah, man. So,
which part you go, Mass Cecil?
They know how we part me after I want to go.
Under the tree there, so?
You pass, I
so
never
see. So make deal with the person before we get the mango, the apple.
So we are doing.
Come back, so we carry some stuff for you.
Oh, we have nice stuff, you know, we make sure, say, if anytime you take up, if I say I take over, I take up the house then. After you do it now, you better be picky. The apple, that means if it rain or fall.
Alright, that's your call. You go ahead.
Me can Me can't pick it through that now. But
You don't have to do it for we. We can do it for ourselves.
Well,
That's
come.
why we tell if we come back.
you come.
All right, yeah,
Me
boss.
still the way I do. You give him this I know.
Alright.
Them, you know.
All right, you're a boss, Mass Cecil.
No,
See, man, that the apple tree there.
enough of them over there, so you know. And when you take a stack full, from there come there, I pick apple.
If
Me
you
ca-
can pick it apple?
Yes, man, me can't tell you how much people, you know. Woman, girl, boy, I pass, you know. If I have a vehicle, then tap.
I want to pick
I
apples.
pick apple and nobody never say, see $10 or see $5. So me no bother quarrel or cost.
So like when I have 10 or $5 figure, we can't bother pick no apple, man.
Me not say that. For what you
And you go look for $5 and $10. That's all.
Yes,
They
sir.
laugh after me.
I mean, I laugh after you.
Yeah, they laugh with me. You turn your back to after.
So me can get. So you not tell me how you take up, you know.
Yeah, apple, you come to pick up.
Apple. Lord God, what apple in that tree? Come no miss. You turn for look up, so you not for long, man.
Me now go under it, Marcel.
Look up.
Slide over there so the place wet.
Look there. Go here.
So how me forget them now? Go up there.
You don't have to go up there, man. You this. Take this.
One sit down, nice.
One take the
You eat apple?
me. You know, say, from the tree start, you know. For how we doctor then say again, and so somebody say to we say, if you blame up apple, that is not the right way. You feel just pick it and wipe off it, and you eat the same way. Cut down sugar, all them things there for you. So you can just take it, man,
Give me a stick.
and find you do it, you just do so, and you drop you see it. For miss, come here, let's oh, you
Marcel.
you had that.
See that dog gone up on the veranda, I mean, I like how I'm pre them stuff. You see, Mass Cecil? The dog gone up
Come
here.
on, come on, come.
You understand that?
You call it me remove, man.
Oh, see me right there.
Yeah,
See me right there, so.
come on.
No,
Come
you
down.
no come on.
Come on.
I need me to call, man. You say come on. That's what I say.
See me run.
I need name. You say come on. For the name. You understand that?
Miss, look out there, so.
That's a lot of apples.
Yeah, okay, so,
You must eat them though, Mass Cecil. Eat apples a daytime.
so, sometime, you know, sometimes man pass, but me can't, me no climb tree.
You have to
If
just...
in a hand, man, you can just put it down on the grass, they still taking up and now go do it. Just put it down, and I think me talking.
You don't want to put on my food that ground, man.
Oh, Jesus. And there's no bag.
Anything drop, me no want it.
Hey?
Anything touch the ground, me no want it.
And then we see no bag up the
You say
cooler.
nothing, so me I do-
We good, man. We good, Mass Cecil. Don't worry yourself.
From the comsa, on the field do it.
You force your feet here and the day how long are you not eat, man?
Me?
A bird that eat a full life.
If you're there a little time, you wish you were car, van.
I said they know about the
Some-
tree.
Nobody no ask me no question, no boss.
Then just speak.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How much is?
Eh?
How much you have?
How much wa?
How much apple this?
That hungry 5.
How much more me fi pick?
No man, you can't ask me that.
So if you take up a tree,
If you could have carried it, look here. Look here now, look here. Turn here and look up here so.
then they are fear.
Eh,
Yeah, let them fear.
So, no sit down in the back and take up.
Take up like what?
Like,
Take
Bah.
up
take out it, that thing can put up in night.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we can't have him to one bag.
Wow.
Make me can't do that. Make me can't do that.
Just take one eye back, man, for, you know, make sense so you pick it and you
Tired?
Yes, your friend.
ain't tired. Then, yeah, maybe say.
Just go along I can.
Ooh.
Eh, take up one of them, take out the apple, I go put him in.
Alright, hold on them and see. So we soon do that. Let me present these things to you. Alright, so these 2 bags that we bring today. This one has groceries in it. That one has clothes and some other items. So we have a donor out of New York and she sent them for you.
Okay.
Yes. Alright?
Yeah.
Yes, man. So tell you Donna thanks now. Just look in the camera and say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, so when you're done, you can go through your stuff and so on.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
So your name the pan it there too, you know. See?
Okay. I look, we see me in the bag, could have.
Why you worry so much about the bag? Yeah, alright, man, we good. For the apple.
We're good, we put them in our car already.
That.
So we're not on the market where I go.
You should have picked more than that, man.
A 4 I win and a 5 I pick.
You can't pick more than that.
Well, yeah, leave a pick couple more.
Yeah, eat. Don't, we are going to know if you eat and then see you. They don't want one for you.
That's true.
So
Carry one extra too so you can share.
If I want to pick me, you see, you can get it.
Mass Cecil, where you get water for use? From this?
Me use that, but
where you use this though? Where you use this though?
A rainwater, you know, man.
So
first time I use it, cook. And I can bathe, take up water and bathe.
So where you get drinking water from?
See here, see there. See the jump them then.
Oh.
And you see that one where me have one tank up there too.
Yeah.
A cow then come there and tie cow, you know. And sink in the tank, so you know.
So it bursts?
In a burst, but it line them where you run. Then pop. Party bathroom, they make this up, seat this up.
But you don't have no catchment up there anyway?
I make it catch this too. Pop off 2 sheet of zinc and bust the pipeline this up. But me not cost bad wood, me not cost bad wood and I go on bad. Me won't tell you what happen. And when me do again, see them back there. A rainwater, you know, me catch. And put in a them, you know, and khaki, that means if anything, me no problem. If I have a dry cup, me have water for drink in the bag.
But then the back of the two Likkle man, they want some big jug. The all jug, 5 gallon one them.
Yeah.
Hold enough water.
But you pick me up, done man, alright.
Okay.
You go pick something there, me thank you too.
You are more than welcome. Alright, so we want to go ahead.
They tell me which parish you from, miss.
Mass Cecil, this is parish you come from. You come from Troy.
Lord,
That's where I will live.
You don't remember. You don't remember.
You think I your friend them? I did a friend them.
But remember when they come here time in the man.
And we come.
That goddamn how far win. Me no see. Me come we call and me no
no phone. Oh, so you look for we come back before now.
Me look say. I check me back one time then.
Yes, because you know say for your journey far up in the bushes here.
Not so far, man.
The far, man.
If I don't tell you come from the far.
That bush, the bad road.
Yeah, road, that's so 100.
Well, you see like I said no. Enough vehicle, man. I get up through enough. Uno must know all that the man that named Sister Shadow might try there. I saw him usual drive and go so you know. He said road go right so you know. And go drop on Lodge Road. Oh, it's so. But fan 3 them pop and drop in at the road. After we leave a man say then when I come they come clear it and fix it all now they no come they can't do it nothing. And then they say again they might come fix up this here road here now from out of Alien shop they come right out to church. And how much there?
Dear years.
Years here now. And about 5 days I know.
5 years.
No, days you are talking about no light in up.
No light?
No light.
Thought you were talking about the road still.
So, out island you know, it's something there where they put up there now.
Oh.
Whereby it leak out.
Yes, yes.
Then.
But remember
And
the
finally
light
leak out
post
now.
break down out the road too, so I don't know if that's the reason.
Hopefully.
It's a different one.
No, that the one where road gone so. And the road turn this way and they gone down so. Well, at the post side of where they sitting the tree, the coconut tree there, you know. And that they so. Like I say, it's something where they then put in. It jerk, it fly out there. It fly out. So when they fly out, nothing down on the main road so same way. No light. Nothing so.
Alright, Mass Cecil. Alright, guys.
Thanks, you know, man, and God bless you know.
You are welcome and thanks so much. God bless you as well.
So don't
Alright, donors and subscribers, those persons who are watching us.
See him, see your daddy. Then, when me a young boy, you know, young boy.
You with daddy?
Theo,
You know with daddy?
you know, you just run some down there.
No.
Yes,
No.
My daddy no know Jamaica, man. My daddy no know Jamaica.
Brother, if I know your daddy, you say.
They look alike. Oh.
Like me, not sure.
So I didn't miss it so.
Alright, so this is where we end the video for today.
Thank you, no. So, one other time you will check me again, that too.
Yes, man, absolutely.
Yeah, man, God bless you, man.
Alright. Alright, everyone, this is where we end the video for today. I want to say a big thank you to everybody. And until next time, thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Yes, yes.